Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at SoFi. SoFi is an online bank. It's a one-stop shop for all your banking needs. They do crypto, they do car loans, student loans, mortgages. They do pretty much you name it. I think they do it. They pretty much have all the bases covered. Investing in crypto, money, ATMs. You can just put your paycheck in there, direct deposit, everything. So it's pretty awesome. It's one of the only banks out there that has the entire gamut of products at disposal. It's a pretty unique concept, and I do like it a lot. I think there's a huge potential for growth here in SoFi. You can see here it was a SPAC originally, and bam, it just came out of the gate and went up to 30 bucks almost. So since then it's been going down and had some gyrations in there, but I think this is definitely going to go higher. This is definitely going to be a competitor in the banking space for the next generation of banking. So what that means is the old banks, old crusty rusty banks like Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Chase Manhattan, all these guys, right? They're the big old institutional banking. And SoFi is a new guy on the block, right? Pretty new, and has a lot of potential to take a lot of market share away from these other guys. Now, I personally, I haven't been into a bank branch in a very long time. I don't know. I could measure it in years probably by now. I do all these mobile deposits. I don't really see a need for a bank branch anymore. For the most part, there's still some specialty things that are needed. So there's always going to be some level, right? Like you need maybe cashier's check or money order, or you need cash. You can do that almost anywhere now. Any point of service, you can take cash out. So almost not needed for the bank for a lot of things. Still some things you need to do in person. Even wire transfers can be done electronically. So a lot of these banking things are going online, and I think COVID has really pushed the limits and really pushed people into more online banking than we would have seen nature would have just taken its natural course. So SoFi is the future. I like it a lot. Go see my separate video. I just did talk a lot about it, but I didn't do any of the fundamental analysis. We're just doing a little bit of technical here. So you can see the 200-day moving average. We just crossed over the 200-day, which is a good sign. This is called a golden cross. So if it continues to move higher, that's awesome. You can see we're still riding above the 20-day and 200-day moving averages. Got pretty good volume, but we do have a little bit of negative movement down here in the MACD and the stochastic. So they both dropped. So that could indicate a move lower for the stock next week. I'm not really going to do anything in this stock, I don't think. My mind might change later in the week. I might sell a cash covered put. Not selling a covered call because you never know when it might pop. With the interest rates and the inflation rates, the way they're going, it could be good for banking. Maybe not. We'll see. All right, so do your own research, obviously. And looks like this next week, symbols are mixed, so I'm not really sure what it's going to do. If I had to predict it, it would move sideways or down. That's kind of where we're at. So if you're looking to sell a cash covered put to start acquiring this, you might want to wait. But I like the stock at anywhere between this floor here at 15 and 20 bucks, even up to 25. Let's see, it's 25 is it's way up here. But this stock is probably going to go to $50 in the next year, depending if they can execute their plan and continue on their growth curve that they have and become super profitable. Alright guys, that's all I have for now. Be sure to subscribe and smash that like button. Thanks for watching.